Are you having a messy, problematic Christmas? Maybe some of you right now, this Christmas, you can't find real joy and reason to celebrate. Maybe because you're buried in debt. Maybe because you have financial problems. Maybe some of you here, a relative or a loved one is in the hospital, is sick. Maybe some of you here, iniwan ng mahal sa buhay, iniwan ng boyfriend, iniwan ng girlfriend. I don't know. Maybe some of you here, you got laid off from your job, wala ka ng trabaho. But let me tell you this, if you are having a messy Christmas, the good news is this, you are not alone. Let me explain later, but right now, let me welcome you to this show, Relationship. Shift your relationships, change your life. Are you having a messy Christmas? Guess what? This is the good news. You are not alone. In fact, if you will look at the first Christmas, if you will imagine it, it was actually not a blissful Christmas. Hindi payapa lahat. In fact, naniniwala ako, yung Silent Night, medyo malayong depiction siya ng perfect nativity scene. Kasi, kung akong tatanungin, pag inimagine mo maigi, malamang, it was not a silent night. Malamang, of course, there's a baby. Jesus is there. Malamang itong si Jesus, si baby Jesus, umiiyak, nagngangawa. And in the same way, si Mama Mary, malamang, nagdadadakdak, nagtatatalak, at siguro pinagagalitan niya si Saint Joseph. Bakit? Ano sasabihin niya? Ano ka ba naman? Alam mo naman buntis ako. Bakit hindi ka pa nag-book ng hotel? Nagalit, di ba? At in the same way, malamang, ito si Joseph, magagalit din. At siyempre, sasagot din kay Mary. Ano sasabihin niya? Aba, pasalamat ka. At least, pinanagutan ko, yung anak na yan, hindi nga akin yan. It was not a silent night, not a blissful night. And in the same way, malamang, andun sila sa sabsaban, in the manger, andun yung mga hayop, at malamang, maingay din yung mga hayop. Anong sabi nung baka? Oo nga, sumasang-ayon kay Saint Joseph. It was not a silent, blissful Christmas. But here's the good news. Actually, if you come to think of it, that is the beauty of Christmas. What is the beauty of Christmas? The beauty of Christmas is this, that God, King of all kings, He was there up in heaven, sitting comfortably there as a king. No pain, no sorrow. Ang sarap ng buhay. But yet this is what He did. He chose to go into this world and enter the mess, the dirty, the filth of this mess. And guess what? He went down on a manger. I can imagine, sobrang baho, sobrang dumi nung manger na yon. And guess what, my dear friends? That's the beauty of Christmas. That Jesus entered our mess. And so my question today, this Christmas for you is this. Will you let God enter your mess? Because at the end of the day, yes, your Christmas might be messy, but if God is with you, then everything will be all right. I pray that today you let God, Jesus, enter in your hearts and let Him fix what needs to be fixed. Let Him repair what needs to be repaired. And I pray that God, Jesus, will come into your hearts and give you peace amidst this mess. Jesus entered your mess. Will you enter yours? Jesus embraced our mess. Will you embrace your mess this Christmas? May the good Lord be with you this holiday season. Merry Christmas, and see you next time. Again, this is Veldon Lim, and you are watching Relationships. God bless you.